Hey fellow green thumbs, it's your favorite gardening enthusiast here. Today we're diving into a hot topic that I know has bugged many of us, literally. Let's talk about how to keep those pesky pests at bay, but in a way that's kind to Mother Earth. So if you're all about that organic life, you're in the right place. First things first, let's chat about prevention because, as they say, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Start by choosing disease-resistant plant varieties. These plants are like the superheroes in your garden, naturally equipped to fight off foes. Next up, embrace diversity. Planting a variety of crops can confuse pests and reduce the chance of them spreading like wildfire throughout your garden. Think of it as a natural barrier. Plus, it makes your garden look gorgeous too. Now let's get tactical with some DIY remedies. Ever heard of neem oil? This stuff is gold for organic gardeners. It's made from the seeds of the neem tree, and it works wonders in keeping pests away without harmful chemicals. Just mix it with water, a little dish soap, and spray it on the affected plants. Easy peasy. Another great trick is to use diatomaceous earth. This is a powder made from fossilized algae, and it's like walking on broken glass for insects. Just sprinkle it around your plants and voila. It's non-toxic to pets and humans, but deadly for bugs. Let's not forget about our little helpers, the beneficial insects. Ladybugs, lacewings, and even certain types of wasps can be your garden allies. They munch on the bad bugs that eat your plants. Sometimes it's about making friends in the right places. Finally, let's talk traps. Sticky traps are a simple and effective way to catch pests. You can buy them or make your own with some bright colors and a sticky substance. Hang them around your garden and they'll attract and capture many common pests. So there you have it, my green-fingered friends. Armed with these organic solutions, you're ready to protect your precious plants without harming the planet. Remember, every little bit helps in our fight for a greener world. Happy gardening, and see you in the next video.